Is your kitchen in need of a transformation? Royal Construction specializes in turning outdated spaces into modern culinary havens. Our expert team collaborates with you to design and install new flooring, countertops, cabinetry, and appliances tailored to your style and needs. Experience a seamless renovation journey where quality craftsmanship meets exceptional design. Elevate your home's heart with a kitchen that's both functional and beautiful. Ready to reimagine your kitchen? Contact Royal Construction today and let's build your dream space together.